Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error. Server are not reachable easy and quick. If you want to fix this error, all you need to do just open folders, and after that go to this PC, go to local disk, Windows, scroll down until you find system32, click on it and then type here etc, click on it, and now once you're here you will find this folder, click on it and cut this one, and after that click here, remove everything and type here, wait, and then type here %updata% and click enter, and you will find Minecraft. Click on it. Now just paste it here, and that's it. Your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.